What's up guys? Today we're talking about Manscaped's Ultra Premium Collection. What's up guys? Welcome back to gentslounge. I'm George. If you have not hit that subscribe button yet, please do that right now. It really helps us out. Today we are going to review Manscaped's Ultra Premium Collection. Now, I know you guys love Manscaped because I think it is our second most watched video on this channel, literally how to shave everything. So if you haven't checked out that video, highly recommended. But today, my friends over at Manscaped sent this box over for their new Ultra Premium Collection, which covers you literally from head to toe. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash, moisturizer, deodorant. Now, as you can see, these bottles look aesthetically pleasing. They look beautiful on your counter, but do they get the job done? Today, we're gonna find out. The new Ultra Premium Collection includes the Manscaped 2-in-1 Shampoo and Conditioner, the Manscaped Body Wash with Refined Cologne Scent, the new Hydrating Body Spray, the new aluminum-free deodorant stick, and last but not least, it comes with a free gift of this new moisturizing lip balm, which comes in a handy 3-pack. So one for your car, one for your house, and one because you know you're gonna lose one of those other two. So let's start off with the Manscaped 2-in-1 Shampoo and Conditioner. As you can see, the bottle looks beautiful. It's going to look great in your bathroom, but what is inside? So just from reading the label, it says vegan, dye-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, alcohol-free, cruelty-free, and phthalate-free. I don't know what phthalates are, but it doesn't have them in there. Phthalates? It's a phthalate. My wife tells me it's pronounced phthalate. None of those. So that's what it doesn't have. But on the ingredients list, I see that there's turmeric, sage, coconut water, green tea, aloe. So all these are going to be great for moisturizing your hair, especially in a 2-in-1 shampoo conditioner. Now, the 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner is going to save you time. Obviously, just have to rinse and wash once. One and done, and you're ready to go. Another great thing about this collection is that all of the products have the same scent. So if you're familiar with the refined fragrance from Manscaped, all of the body wash, the shampoo and conditioner, and the deodorant have that same scent. So you're going to have a consistent smell throughout. Nothing is going to be competing with each other. It's just going to be overall aesthetically pleasing. So the next product in the collection is the Manscaped Body Wash. Now I have been using this on a daily basis, sometimes twice a day because I've been going to the gym quite a bit. And I don't know about you guys, but I smell terrible after I go to the gym. My wife comments on it constantly. So this has really helped ease her nostrils, and I smell great, I feel great, my skin doesn't feel dry afterwards, it feels refreshed. So the shower gel is actually infused with aloe vera and sea salt to help your skin feel clean, fresh, and moisturized. So up next on the list, we have the Hydrating Body Spray. So Manscaped is one of the first people that I've actually seen do this really well, and this is going to replace your lotion moisturizer. Basically, what it is you unlock it, you spray it on, and it's like a mist for your body, but it is like your moisturizing lotion. So infused into this mist is a hyaluronic acid cross polymer for smooth, long-lasting moisturization. So if you know anything about hyaluronic acid, it is in all of the best moisturizers, and this is just going to keep your skin nourished and moisturized all day long. I especially keep this in my gym bag because if you can't get a shower right away post-gym, this is a great quick refresher for your body and just overall smell in general. Because once again, it is scented with the refined scent. And up next on the list, the last step before you put clothes on, deodorant. So once again, this stick is also in the refined scent. And as you can see, it is a nice gel. So it's gonna roll on clear and you're not going to have any discoloration or weird stains underneath your t-shirts. Another thing I want to mention about the deodorant is that it is aluminum free. I know that's a huge thing in deodorant these days, but it is very hard to find a deodorant that is aluminum free that actually keeps you odor free. I don't know about you, but I have struggled for a very long time. I want to jump on the aluminum trend, or I want to jump on the non-aluminum trend, but I just can't find one that works for me. And after using the Manscaped one for a good amount of time, I can say this has been the best one I've tried so far. And last but not least, we cannot forget the free gift of the moisturizing lip balm. So what makes this a Manscaped product and an emphasis on the man is that this product is supposed to be a matte finish. So instead of, moisturizing your lips and having your lips be all shiny all day long. This is going to moisturize and keep them from cracking, keep them healthy, but you're not gonna even notice that you're wearing it. All right guys, so that pretty much wraps up the video of the Manscaped Ultra Premium Collection. So not only does it look great on your shelf, it also gets the job done and works great as well. Once again, thank you to Manscaped for sponsoring this video. It's sponsors like these that help this channel keep going and help us put out more content for you guys. If you want to check out the Ultra Premium Collection from Manscaped, click the link in the description below and use our code right here for 20% off your order. So once again, if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, please do that right now. We'll see you on the next one, guys. Cheers.